Never ever pay collections. That's right. Before you even think about paying a collection company and throwing away your money, make sure you sign up for your How to Repair Your Credit Like the Experts free 30-day do-it-yourself online credit repair course that will help you get your financial affairs back in order. How soon do you need to obtain the job you desire? Great rates on cars, homes, insurance and more. Don't make the same mistakes that thousands of people have made when it comes to paying collections, and living to regret even to this day. Keep your money in your pocket, and sign up for your free 30-day credit repair course, so that you are not the next victim to be taken advantage of when it comes to credit. You know you need it. It's free. The power is being placed in your hands. And your problems associated with bad credit are not going away anytime soon, so you might as well get started right now. Click on the link or copy and paste the link, but whatever you do, make sure you do it now. Trust me. We've made it so easy, even an avatar can do it. Click on the link and get started now. Also, make sure you hit the like, subscribe and follow buttons so that you can be the first to receive our information-packed videos pertaining to the credit industry. Get started now. Cheers.